we are putting on a TeraFlex bump stop.
Right here it is, Bryn. See it? This is the front one. This one's for the rear.
Okay, so then the front one again.
Okay. Here's the front one. Alright. So right here is the old one. Try not to get too much in here. So this is the old front one, and this is the old rear one. We've already pulled them off. This was the front driver. You're going to pull off the front passenger, because in the videos that TeraFlex shows, you need to remove the actual coil spring and everything else. It is possible to do it without removing that. So in this, we're going to go through that. We already did one side. So in this, we're going to show you that. The jack's not the best, so we got to use some blocks. We didn't want to get out the other jack. So we'll get started here. Always want to have you some jack stands when you go to use them. Jack it up. What we're doing here is we're getting it up high enough so that the weight's going to be off of the front coil spring, so that it'll expand the coil spring
Daddy?
enough so we can get our hands in there.
Can I get
Yes,
on my
Brynley.
knees?
Yes, Brynley.
Okay. It'll be easier for me to video. Just
wanting to have these so they won't come down on us.
bubble.
So we're going to come in here. I'll show you how we get the old one out. Come in here close so they can see. Right here's the old bump stop. You're going to simply take the pliers on it, squeeze it up top,
Hey, look,
and we're going to twist down, and it'll pop right out. Once it pops out, set your tools down. Then you just have to pull it through the coil spring. See how it's coming through the coil spring? Do that, make sure you got it. And there you have, the old one is out. Alright, you're going to take the new one. Right here's our new one. Right here's our new one. So we're going to put a little bit on the edges railing. You can use silicone spray. We didn't really have any. I didn't want to use a petroleum based, just to keep it clean. Just put a little bit on the edge. This one you're gonna work it through just like the other one. You'll get it up in there. We've got a pick right here that we just simply,
Daddy, can I help?
yep, wrapped in a towel. And we're gonna come here and rewind the other side up where it says the Falcon for the part that we see here. Once you get that, you're gonna go under there and we're gonna pry down.
Water. It's water. Oh, and there's soap.
Until you can hit, go in place.
Yeah, I'm gonna do soap.
And you just want to double check that it's in. We're going to give it another check. The pick right here from this side.
Daddy, look.
And
I'm all ready for the soap.
we're up in there.
I'm all ready for the soap.
That one's done. So now we're going to come back over here, remove our jack stands. girls out here helping me today.
Say hi, Brynley. Hi.
I'm gonna drop it back down.
Hi.
Alright.
Hi.
We'll be right back shortly and we'll do the back. Alright, we've already pulled the back ones out. The back ones, you just go in there, grab them sideways, and pull right out.
Hi.
So we're going to get up under here, get something to lay down on. I just have to excuse the mess in here. Been working on a few things here and there. Alright, Bryn. You're gonna probably have to get down here too, Ray, with us.
Okay.
Put a little bit on the edge.
Now behind the camera.
Put a little on your hand first. See where it goes? Can you find it, Ray?
Find the bus stop.
Yeah, where it goes. Not down here, just yeah, there you go. Alright, good job, girl.
I can't find it.
Then what's this one in here for? Then what's this one in here for?
That one's for the other side, Bryn. So, yes, and see, right here the hole. This is where the old one was. Just push it in, you just pull it, and it pops right out. You're gonna take the new one. Put it in one side. Just pop it up in there. Make sure you twist it a little bit. Make sure it's in. And there it is. You gonna move over to the other side?
Put your blanket on over.
So as you can see, the back is definitely a lot easier than the front.
Yeah, of course.
But it is doable to do it without actually taking the springs and the axle off. Bryn's putting a little soap on these for us. Just in there. Alright. It's good?
Hi, I'm Brynley and I'm 4. Sophie.
Wait, let me put this in see. It's just me being crazy. I want them all braided same color. Twisting that one to make sure the emblem matches. A little OCD there. But you see,
Where's the
one's got
hole?
the writing on it. One just has the Falcon or the TeraFlex for Falcon, which is the style of these. Just gonna get it, twist it, push it up in there. Make sure twist it a little bit. Make sure it's in. And then we're all done. They're both in.
Ow, ow.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll pass it over to Raylan. She's going to tell you
Link in
something.
the description below. Thanks for watching. Here is the box.
TeraFlex.
TeraFlex.
There's the model number. This is for a 0 up to a 4-inch lift.